Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, I'm going to share phrases that will save you on your next trip. Whether you're traveling to an English-speaking country or just want to feel more confident using English abroad, these practical phrases will help you navigate common travel situations with ease. So, let's get started and learn some essential travel phrases you can use on your next adventure. Phrase number 1. Excuse me, could you help me? This phrase is your go-to whenever you need assistance, whether you're lost, looking for a place, or have a question. For example, excuse me, could you help me find the train station? Or excuse me, could you help me understand the menu? It's polite, clear, and shows that you appreciate the help you're asking for. Phrase number 2. How do I get to? Use this question when asking for directions. For example, how do I get to the nearest bus stop? Or, how do I get to the airport? It's a straightforward way to find out how to reach your destination. You can also add, is it far from here? Or, how long does it take to get there? If you want more information. Phrase number 3. Could you speak slower, please? If someone is speaking too fast or using words you don't understand, politely ask them to slow down by saying, could you speak slower, please? You can also say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? This phrase is very useful when talking to locals or getting information. Phrase number 4. Where can I find? Use this question to ask about specific places or services. For example, where can I find a pharmacy? Or, where can I find a taxi? It's a quick way to locate what you need. Combine it with around here to make it more specific. Where can I find a good restaurant around here? Phrase number 5. I'd like. Use I'd like when ordering food, buying tickets, or requesting something at a store. For example, I'd like a cup of coffee, please, or I'd like 2 tickets for the museum. This phrase is polite and direct, making it perfect for many situations. Phrase number 6. How much does this cost? When shopping or looking at a menu, use this phrase to ask about prices. For example, how much does this shirt cost? Or, how much is the ticket? It's important to know how to ask about prices to avoid confusion and ensure you're aware of the cost before making a purchase. Phrase number 7. Can I pay by card? When you're ready to pay, you can ask, can I pay by card? Or do you accept credit cards? If not, you can ask, where is the nearest ATM? Or is there a cash machine nearby? This phrase helps you know what payment options are available and find alternatives if necessary. Phrase number 8. Do you have any recommendations? If you're unsure where to go or what to do, ask for recommendations. For example, do you have any recommendations for a good local restaurant? Or what do you recommend we see in the area? Locals often know the best spots, so this phrase can help you discover hidden gems and get insider tips. Phrase number 9. Is there a restroom nearby? This is one of the most important phrases for travelers. Use it to find a restroom when you need one. For example, excuse me, is there a restroom nearby? Or where's the nearest bathroom? Knowing how to ask for this will definitely come in handy during your travels. Phrase number 10. Could you take a picture of me/us? When you want someone to take a photo for you, simply ask, could you take a picture of me, please? Or could you take a picture of us, please? People are usually happy to help, and this phrase is polite and straightforward. Bonus phrase. Thank you so much. Don't forget to show appreciation. Use thank you so much or simply thank you after receiving help or service. You can also say, I really appreciate it, or thanks for your help. Being polite and grateful leaves a positive impression and makes your interactions more pleasant. These phrases will save you in many travel situations, from asking for directions to ordering food and finding a restroom. Practice using them before your trip so you feel more confident when speaking English. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become, and soon you'll be able to navigate your trip like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more tips and lessons to help you master English. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful trip. See you in the next video.